When you have a storm coming, it's not that easy to deal with. People need to know to build a shelter. Hurricanes can kill, hurricanes drown you, hurricanes can make you froze. If you're in the sea, be careful and you're near to the seaside. This will help people in days Z when you travel in. This is you to build a shelter. 1. Account for look for food, and that's it. Then in a couple months, start building your base. Start building everything. Then in a couple weeks, then you'll know how to build everything. Then 4, I'll even teach how to look for these tools. So the military bag is easy to get. Go to the army base. All this stuff will hit your camp or better you're doing recon around the map.